Hello everyone. Okay. I guess we just do this. Let's see how many times it will crash today. Maybe we have to move this to there. Oh, hey, Lolly. Yes. I was able to finish everything yesterday. At least the things I wanted to do. But welcome, welcome. How was your day today? Nice. Interesting. But it works. It's not Z fighting anymore if I do it like this. I have translucency. Of course, you have C fighting. No, we don't. Why did I see Z fighting before? Ah, no, wait, we still have it. I didn't apply the changes. This crash is driving me crazy. It is about garbage collection, and I don't know what is doing this problem. I guess at some point I have to start my Unreal with the Visual Studio and see what goes wrong, but I'm not sure if I will be able to catch it. Very annoying. I don't think that's Windows related. There is no Windows saying, hey, problem whatever. This problem originates for garbage connection, and there is some kind of error there. Yeah, but the crash comes from Unreal, not from Windows. Hey, baby. I'm doing good. How are you doing? I see. Let's see. Hmm. Does it even matter? Probably not. Hmm. Hmm. I see. Where did I do this again? I believe it needs to happen here too. Do I just do the same function? Was there anything special today, baby? I see. Well, I don't know. By being patient, I guess. Yeah, I know. The only annoying part was like the person that wanted help from me didn't believe that I cannot help. That was rather frustrating. And I didn't know what to tell them to make them believe me, because it was evident that the issue was not on my side and I have not the tools to help him, but he was not believing me. He was like, yeah, I cannot do this, so you have to do this. And I'm like, yes, but I'm not the guy for this, and this is not my job. And he's like, yeah, we all do more than our jobs. And I'm like, okay, buddy, you clearly don't understand what's going on here, but okay, you just talk and I will tell you again until you stop. And that's what happened in the end. At some point he didn't know what to say anymore and he was like very defensive, and then we stopped talking. And in the in the following hour or something, I researched a little bit more, and it was evident it was not something I can do. So I told him, hey, did you go to IT for this? And he was like, pinging the original guy, which is not in our time zone, to tell the IT. So all the things he did for me, he does for me, he can annoy me, but he will not do it for IT. Like, I don't understand. It was very, very strange. So now the other guy that had the issue has to tell the IT while the IT is not in-house. So either he could have been like, okay, I don't help at all. The guy from the other time zone can handle it, whatever. Or he could have went the whole way and helped him. But no, he goes the middle way, annoys me, and doesn't help the other guy. Well, then be my guest, I guess. Yeah, I guess he's just overworked and just doesn't want to do the problems that pile up, and he's himself frustrated, and since no one can help him, he is desperate for help, and he thought I can help, and since I was saying no, I can't, I guess he took it a little more personal there. What you gonna do? That's how it is. I guess I have to copy these two functions over to the other. I could put them into its own function, but I'm not sure. Because then I also have to get the turntable. Where does this go? Goes here, clear bars. So this all depended on that. Beam capture, we don't need this anymore, what the hell? So maybe I do make a function that is accessible from everywhere. Let's go. Not UI. Blueprints, helper functions, ability function, but then yeah, the issue was like we have the system that's called Git. And when it was introduced, I was the only one who actually looked into how Git works for like the comments and stuff. It's like a console comment thing. But I didn't go into how you can set up an IT system behind it to have this repository in-house as a server. That's not what I learned. But since I am the guy who knows how to deal with some comments, and I am the guy who administrates access rights, everyone thinks I am the Git guy. But I am only the Git access guy. No one understands. So they all come to me with their problems, and I'm like, maybe I can solve, maybe I can't. And if I can't, I say no. And they're like, what do you mean no? This is very important, please solve it. And I'm like, okay, nice, but I am not the guy. It's so funny. Yes, it is a communication problem. There's no clear responsibility table, I guess, for that. What did I want to look? I wanted to do this thing. So these two. That. And we could go and do these before. Okay, so this. Guy. And then we can go ahead and copy these in. And the same with this guy, I believe. It should be working. And the same thing for... Wait, did I do for delay? Yes. Need this. Wait. Okay. And the funny thing is, another one, like he told me, yeah, the other guy has a PC that works with this account, but when he is on the other PC, it does not work. And I'm like, yeah, okay, so it is evident that his accesses work with the other PC. I cannot do any access magic to make it work since it is evident that it's working. I cannot just do some other magic trick to make it work for the other PC. The other PC probably has something set up wrong, but he was not believing me. He thought I was at fault. It's the same account. If it doesn't work on the other PC, it cannot have different access rights. But He didn't... I don't know what in that sentence he didn't understand. Because he was still adamant about to solve this, but when I tell him, yes, but it's not account thing, what should I do then? And he's like, I don't know, do something, I guess. Great, but this is not productive, my friend. I guess at that point I had to say amigo, like you. Was so strange, man. Very strange. And then he was like trying to guilt trip me as in, ah yeah, okay, if you cannot do it, then the project is dead, I guess. And I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you? And I'm like, okay, maybe you should escalate it with people until you understand that it's not what I can do. And then he was quiet from there on. Yes. He could have asked anyone on the studio, and no one would have been able to help him more than I can. Except IT. He was not going to have it. I guess he's scared of IT, or just doesn't believe that the IT can work magic. But this was an IT issue. I guess he is. It grinds my gears still, man. It's like... You know, sometimes I'm doing the circus thing in the chat. That's like constantly this. I feel like in a comedy show or something, like, or hidden camera maybe. Well, whatever. Now that we have these two functions and delete it in here, and instead of using them here, we can set turn table position. Ah, now I need the turntable itself. I mean, yes, we can. Table. Plug this in. Where's this from? Maybe we should do this also there. Oh man, I wonder what should I do in the weekends. Oh, hello Frost. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Nothing much. I was just venting to Bevy a while ago while programming. You're also programming? I see. Okay, let's look at this first. No, it's not values. This visibility. A sound issue? I don't even have sound in my game yet. I'm jealous. I want sound. I'm not sure. I don't think my stuff is that complex. Else here, this guy. Interesting. Anyway. Well, I have kind of the same problem. I was like, okay, I have a 2D representation, I want to do it now 3D. Well, now I'm turning that into this feature and, well, I thought it's maybe 2 days and now we are in day 4. What you gonna do, right? True, true. But we are to blame. I guess you have to be a masochist to keep going. Ah, shit, okay. I also need this. Oh man, it's not stopping. Oh, that sounds rather complicated. Why would it be an issue if you press 2 buttons? And would it be even advisable to make damage for that? Because wouldn't you want the person be able to press 2 buttons and then let go one? Are you forcing him to press clearly? I guess. I see. This one we have now, set orbling turntable values. The next one is this one. This one we have. This one we have. An input to turn the head left or right. Or you can hold down both of the time. I don't know why you would, but you could, and so the cause heat damage now. Are you a robot? Ah, so it is a mech, yes! Nice. Please add also a sound for, like, I don't know, heating up. That sounds funny. Okay, so this one is done. Let me check this. This one is done. And last. This one is not done. Set turn delay. Okay, now this should be working again. Ah, shit. This broke. Why did it break? And here it is again. I would like to know what exactly causes this so I can trigger this crash repeatedly and then try to fix it. Let's try again. Because I think it should have been working. But it's not. And it was... Was it here? No, it was probably here. It happens a lot of times when I stop play mode and I opened UI. It says something about garbage collection and I couldn't Google the correct answer. Something doesn't want to be garbage collected even though it is marked as garbage collection, I guess. I did try ChatGPT and it was also not giving me more infos than I already knew. Sadly. Ah, it's because of this. I mean, not the crash, but... I mean, ChatGPT helps me when I do something that I have no clue about, like shaders and stuff. Sometimes it is faster to ChatGPT instead of Googling. Yes, also that. But in that particular thing, he came out with the same answer I have, which is I have to find out what is actually causing this issue. Which means I should maybe start this with the Visual Studio instead and see where the breakpoint goes. but I believe that my C++ understanding will not be enough to understand, but at some point I will try and see where it goes, I guess. Anyway, now this is fixed. Okay, now I can use the functions on the others, but we should clean up this first. I believe it should be no problem since I never had it installed beforehand. So Unreal would install it correctly, but I did jump versions from 5.2 to 5.4. No, that shouldn't be an issue. That shouldn't be an issue because that is still Visual Studio 22. I believe it should still work. But I'm not sure if I can actually start the project from it. I never tested that before. That I need to see. But yeah, in my real work, not this one, I had to do a lot of Visual Studio setups. So I believe I would be able to set it up correctly. In many constellations too, like jumping versions from 4.26 to 5.4 and going back and forth and starting the project from 4.20 with Visual Studio 17 and so on. So I believe that I would be able to manage that. At least the setup itself, not the Unreal Engine start. The packaging and so on, that would still work. And the building of the solution. Okay. Do you work with Unreal outside of your, how to say, your personal projects? Wait, there's a big difference between those? I didn't see big differences. Oh, you're a veteran! I see. I started with pre-Unreal 4.20. I'm not sure which version, but it was before 4.20. You were around when Falcon was a thing. If you remember that game, it was also a mech shooter. I think that was made by Unreal 3. Did you know that they reactivated Falcon? The servers and so on? I played it a little. It's awesome. Like the good old days. And I'm not talking about the rebranding of the title. No, I'm not talking about the what company did the second game. I'm talking about the old game reactivated by fans. Like they re-engineered the server structure and are running it now. Let me find you the name. I have it installed here. Maybe the launcher has the name of it. You just go to their fan website and then follow their instructions. Falconing is the name. But I believe if you search around a little, you will find it. I don't know. If the original game had VR support, then I believe it still has it because they didn't change the executable itself. They only grabbed the client, the latest client one that they released, and they re-engineered the server structure. So the game itself is untouched. I can search it for you and post it in the thingy. Let me see. Yeah, there it is. This one. There you go. I believe they, was it August or September they launched it again. So it's pretty recent. Since you are doing a mech game yourself, maybe this is something that interests you. No, you're welcome. I love that game, man. Sadly, they didn't find a market for it, right? They wanted to do what any other hero shooter was doing, but it didn't work. They should have went with arena shooter style of game instead of a hero shooter with classes. Like the movement and the gun game of the game is perfect. You don't need a healer. Oh well. Yeah, no, I'm not talking about the new one. The new one is even like that one we don't talk about. It's like a no-brainer. It's like a nothing burger. I don't care. It's like just slap in AI and downgrade graphics. I don't care about that. Yeah, I was like first, well, maybe, great. And then I looked at the gameplay and I was like, yeah, come on, how can you go from cool to bad? Like, they downgrade everything. Oh my god, this is such a big mess here. This one, please. Oh, there are a lot of places where we do stuff. But before I begin there, I will go AFK for a little bit. Yeah, that's true. Well, I guess as an indie you can take more risks than bigger companies. Anyway, be right back. Okay, I'm back. Thank you. Sneaky? This time I didn't even try. Oh boy. Well, okay, this is that code anyway. Correct? Yes. Okay then. Maybe I internalized. Well, I mean, at least we could do the same thing here. And see how that goes. Right. Okay. Cannot work because we are not initializing anything. Maybe with this. Am I using this front? Maybe I should take a note. And that's important to find out. And now we have this. Well, the naming seems to work already. That's good. Now we have to hide these things. And we go to the different things here. Maybe this needs a representation here. Like this. Man, baby, what should I do on the weekend, man? I have like zero idea. I wanted to ask this, then Frost just barged in. I don't know. In the hopes that you could help me. A new game. Well, I guess I could. Man, last time I created an event, no one joined. You could play the biggest sword. I don't know that one. Yes, I mean, I appreciate that you joined and two more joined, but I mean half the guys that did accept didn't show up. So 50% attendance is like, oh no. When I delete, we need to refresh. And when I place, I have to refresh that too. Okay, let's do that first. Deleting and placing. Removing and placing. I don't know what I would play. I really don't know. I asked around in the chat and no one wanted to play Hawken with me. But now, I don't know if I even want to play it anymore. Let's think. Where do I place? That's my manager. Here. Well, it's the same game. What was your go-to setup? I see. Well, at least in the servers you have unlimited normal currency, so you can unlock anything that doesn't require levels. I don't understand. Why is this the only thing that happens? Oh, maybe I'm catching it here. Ah, yes, I'm doing something here. Ah, of course, because of that. Base here, place orbling. What I like to play is a berserker with the module where you can dodge in the air. Space engineers. There's a fun little thing there. When I was in uni, there was a lecture where we had to do sound design, and there was an assignment to sound design the trailer of Space Engineers. And since then, I cannot look at that game anymore. Oh god. But yeah, I guess the game itself is nice. But I was never able to get into the game because I don't know. Somehow never caught me. I do like sandbox games, but that one didn't catch me. What's the game? I mean, if it's like Space Engineers, I kindly pass on that. What was it? I need the orbling manager turntable. What we need to do is we have to refresh. Can I? When I do set turntable UI values and positions, it does do the values. That's good. I can just do that. Orbling manager, UI, turn position without delay. So now if I place an orbling, it should have a name. Let's see. Yes, there we go. I will look at it. Never heard of it before. So it must be an older game then if it's free on Epic Game Store. Is it free right now? And now we have to do the same for removing far away the interaction. Right. Okay, so it goes in here. Store away function. Switch space, store away at arrow. And now we just need turntable value, no position, with the turntable. Where's the turntable? Here's the turntable. So if I now stash away an orbling, should remove the name here. Nice. Seems to work. (2020), it's 4 years old, and it's already in Epic Games. I see. No Man's Sky. I'm always thinking about playing it again, and then I'm remembering that the game loop itself never spoke to me. Like that, it seems like there is no real goal. You just get your gear and grind, and then just either stay at one place and build your base, or just be a nomad. The game looks very nice now, and they added so many features, but I don't know. Yeah, but I mean, did the story change? Because when I played it the first time, when it came out, then... Ah, I see. Yeah, I know. Classic for a sandbox game, but No Man's Sky made it a little over the top now. Feels like every 6 months they are releasing a new patch on it. Can you invest in the game actually? Can you buy anything in game? How is No Man's Sky Hello Games doing the monetization on that game right now? You have no clue. I guess they are not, because everyone is like in Twitter, please, Hello Games, you redeemed yourself, take my money. Yeah, I know. And there's a lot. So now we have to hide this and open it again when we return from that. Turn to item, delete, merge, and activate. Needs to get rid of this. And I have a little fancy function for that, where we can actually just do very, very nice things. So if we are at start and go into this, or this, then we have to hide this here. Set visibility of turntable UI, whatever. Why am I even using that? It makes no sense anymore. But now we have that function, now we just use it anyway. Set vis turn. And then all we do is copy this on all of these. And then we should be set. Although they will not turn on again, of course, but that's future monkey's issue. They have probably more money than they know what to do with, so they just keep... Yeah, but I mean, it has been a lot of years, right? Like, they are not a small team. They are a medium-sized team. Like, in the beginning there were like 10 people, maybe they grew even. You have to pay those people. Do you think they have enough to like develop it for so many years? I wonder. Okay, one worked. Second one works. Third one. Third one we have to get rid of the whole thing. And fourth one works. Yeah, but a part of it goes to Sony. Didn't they publish? Or were they just in for the marketing? And then again, they are also publishing it from Steam, which also gets a cut. In the end, yeah, exactly. Oh, hello, Carva. Almost didn't see you there. You didn't join before, right? This is your first message. Ah, okay. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? And maybe they can still live off of that, because if they have 30%, let's go even further and say they have only 30% of that. That would be still something like 100 mil. And 1 million per year per person. That would be 10 years. So they definitely have still funds, I guess. Didn't a bunch of people also refund the game? Ah, nice. Well done, Carva. Ah, your name, man. I cannot read the colors blend with the black background. So we need choose orbling for activation, merge, choose own orbling, delete, turn item. We need this guy. When we go back to start, there is more to do here, I guess. I mean, yeah, we can do this, but that's not enough. It's exactly that. Use respec, activation result, or playing. This might be going back. Lee. And released. This should be working now. But they need to turn on, of course. Result. Lee. And this one. Let's check with one. The rest should be still working. Activate one. Alright, baby. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye. Okay, this works. Then for merge. Why would this go back? Ah, of course, this is an immediate merge. Delete. And turn. Let's see. Hey Frost, can you tell me what that smiley is supposed to be? I see a waving guy, but why is there an equal in the parenthesis? What does the equal mean? Is that a mouth? It's a knight? Okay. You could use a thief instead. And you have like a different kind of helmet. With an equal, it would look like a... What is the face guard called for people that do welding? Praise the sun. Let me do it. Like this. How about this one? Does Solaire have an equal sign as a helmet? I thought that was a T instead. Maybe I'm wrong. I never played Dark Souls. I played Dark Souls 1 for a bit. And then I got frustrated by the bugs and stopped. Maybe I should play that again. Great. Seems to work. Let's itemify everything. Turn it on, but need to reset the positions. Okay. I mean, for these three I will probably not need it, but let's just do it anyway. Fathead? No. It even has a mouth. Are you sure that guy looks like that? I don't know, man. Yeah, this Definitely doesn't need it. I used it anyway. Back the die place. Okay, place we do differently anyway. I guess. Start. Okay, we are good, I think. Nice one. Okay. Nice, works. So there's only one thing to do, which is when we are in delete. I also need to update the buttons. Interesting. So many little things to do. So was it delete that we wanted to remove the board? Probably. Why did this break? Ah, we need to do it with delay because we are changing. God damn it! Holy shit, okay. Well, what do we need to delay? Now we have to think, okay. So from activation we are in a different thingy, so here we need to delay. Oh my god. Respec. Same thing here. Here too. And here. Activation result. Released. Then for merge. Yes, we even need it there. We need it for everything except delete. And then we might as well put it to delete too. Okay, now that bug is gone. Let's try it again. Yes, there we go. Maybe the delay is a little too long, but that's not good though. Maybe I need to hide them before I move them. But that's just small things. Delay. Let's say 0.001. Should be enough. No, that's too fast apparently. Okay, let's do that this then. Even to... What? You got to be kidding me. You really need that much time? How about 0.05? No, that's too slow. 7? Yeah, 7 works. 6? Maybe I should keep it at 7 if 6 works. Yeah, let's keep it at 7 so it has a little bit more breather. Anyway. So how do we hide stuff? Is it here in prepare? Focus single entity, yes. Start, delay, delete, pair. Oh no, I did a big oopsie. Instead of using the UI function, I used the utility functions to set these. Is there an easy way to move functions from one library to the other? That would be very nice right now. Fuck, there is no easy way to do this, is there? Maybe ChatGPT knows. Is there a way in Unreal to move a function from a function library to another function library. Copy the nodes, open the function you want to move in the original function library, select all, copy, create the new function, paste the node, transfer input output, delete, update references if needed. Well, great, so they are simply saying, yeah, do manual work. Thanks. That was my plan B. I wouldn't need the plan A. I guess we will bite into these. Well, that's a German proverb. Never mind. Let's do this systematically. Set orbling turntable values. One. Two. E. Four. And 5. So now we can just remove that, right? Yeah, nice. And then this. Only 4. Set visibility turntable UI resource bars. One. Two. Three. And 4. Wait. Oh, I hope I didn't do it wrongly. It's very stressful. Oh my god, there's so much. Um... I know that feeling. Try a print. If you're sure that the breakpoint should be activating, make sure to make a print and see if the print goes through. Sometimes Unreal wants you to have an object here and it cannot choose it from itself for the breakpoint. It doesn't print, okay. Where does it do the sound? I mean, you say the bool is there to make the sound, but it does not go for the function. How is the function getting called? Where is the function call? Trace back where that leads you to. It spawns... wait. It goes through one bool, another bool, and then it spawns the sound. So the sound object is there. Where's the function that does the sound itself? Or what was it? I can't figure out why this bool is allowing it to call the function for sound, but at the same time the code is not passing through it according to the breakpoint. What is the second part of that sentence? What do you mean by the second part? The button press is what calls a function. Yes. So the function itself getting called. Can you go into the function while you're in the breakpoint outside? I mean, if you're in a breakpoint, how can I demonstrate? You're in a breakpoint. Like here, for instance. You can like walk, that I am sure you know that. And then you can press this step into. So can you step into the function? Oh, like the Unreal raw node for the sound itself? Which would lead to C++ code if you would be able to go inside? Because if it is not, if it's just a delegate, you can still go into. So you spawn the sound, that must be an object in the world in the end. Can you check if it is actually spawning? Or is it a play sound kind of thing? I feel like I'm drifting you more away from your solution than giving you helpful advice here, because I don't know your code, sadly. I see. Let's see, where was I? Ah, yeah. I wanted to see if it's hiding and then probably not showing up again, which is right now how it's implemented. So it should disappear right now. And when I press escape, should not come back. Nice. try this again. Okay. That already, I think. Oh, don't crash now. Okay. I'm restarting the editor, somehow fixed it. That was a waste. Oh, damn! Okay, this is good. Okay, what else is left? What do I put in the notes, or are you putting something in the notes? Okay. I think this works. Maybe my notes too. So I can remind you. Wait, give me a sec. Remind Frost to restart his editor if he has a bug for 2 hours. Is this good? Alright. I will make sure to remind you. Okay, let's test the orbling manager again. Because I think now it's working and finished. Ah, this is not good. What happened here? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, that's not good. That's not good, that's from the refactoring. That's really bad. Ah, execute. I hope it was just this. God damn it, man. I will not be able to understand where it is broken. Do we have notes for that, maybe? So you could see. Okay, this looks fine. Yeah. Okay, I guess it's fine. If not, hopefully it will come up by testing at some points. I think this is now good. Okay, this is gone now too, at least this, and then are we using front formation for something? Is whatever. Update button accessibility after removing all orblings from board. This is for this guy. When placing bars with delay spawn, and we solved that. I see. Do we still have this? I probably still have this. Yes, this is the dat code. Where do we use this? Orbling manager. Excuse me, we still use this? Should be able to just cut this. Store away at elements. And we don't need this anymore, I think. And this guy. I mean, this cannot function anyway. And everything works. I can just delete these. Doesn't matter. Pretty sure this can just go away. Okay. Well, this little guy can now go to hell. And this one also not being used anywhere now. Was only used here already. So compile and then we say bye-bye to this guy too. Right. Why would it cause a bug for equal? It really depends on your use case, I believe. I mean, I'm not sure what you do, but if I use, for instance, like a timer, that I can show you what I would do. Like, let's see. I have a timer. And a time goal, right? We have the timer that... Wait, that's a float. And if it is smaller or equal, you could use, but you can also say bigger. Or let's say smaller than the goal. If it is smaller than this plus delta seconds. Is this. And if the timer is bigger than the goal at some point, just do this. Right? So if you check and something is outside that value, you can set it to that value. But I'm not sure if you're needing that. It's only for thresholds, of course, not for real values. Oh, you're using timelines. I see. I avoid them like the past. Like the Pleek, I mean. Past is the German word for Pleek. I understood you correctly, right? You are using this thing. Yeah, I don't believe these things because they have their own tick rate. They don't go with your atomic function chain. They have their own logic. They have their own timer. So if you put any float inside there from your logic runtime, this time has a different outcome. Either build your own timer with what I just showed you, with whatever. You could also make a set timer with event and then put this into a function that always ticks in a rhythm or something. But using this timeline, this is very, very dangerous because it's not going with your logic time. You could make your own timeline. You can build the like the float limits and goal, and then use this. And then what was it? Flow curve. And then you can use this curve to do your own timeline kind of output. Oh god. I was burnt by timelines in the early days where I learned Unreal. Since then, I'm not touching them if it's more complicated and more connected with the logic in my code itself. If it's its own thing, like you press it and it should do its own thing, then it's fine. Like, just go for it. But if you need stuff from other things and it is reliant on exact times, timeline is not the thing to do, in my opinion. Because the tick rates just don't match. Anyway. A reward, opening. I'm not sure how to read your name, but I think Adian? I guess Adian? Welcome to the stream. Well, I'm not sure what you mean by looking, because the graphics are very bad. But the progress is going. I mean, we are one day away from 1 year of streaming. Total days, that is. I didn't realize it's tomorrow. Oh man, if you have only 3, that's easy to refactor. Do it now before you spiral out of control with adding more timelines. You could even make your own blueprint for timelines. Write your code inside that blueprint that times, like you can initialize a time and then it ticks for itself, and when it's done it kills itself, and then use that object as your timer, which you instantiate every time you need. Like spawn timer object and then do your times with an input output that you can always call, and do it that way. I know, but we all have to suffer. And what I'm working on, right now, I'm converting some of my 2D UIs into 3D. I have a scene capture that I projected onto the UI, and now I'm deleting that and using the real scene for it, because it was just menus. And I think with the orbling manager we are now done, for now at least. I'm not sure if I should begin doing the battle reward part. I mean, that code is now gone. Did I get rid of this? Apparently I did. Interesting. Ah, okay, that one is whatever. This is not that important right now. Okay, that one is also gone. So yeah, the game itself I can also show you. It's very blocky right now because I didn't work anything on the graphics yet. But essentially you're just someone walking around. You have your little monsters here called orblings. You have them on formations. This is the fire formation, water formation, earth formation. And we have the other side, which we can access like this. There's the lightning side, the crystal side, and the air side. And all of these formations have their specialty. Like the fire side has offensive magic, and the crystal side has defense against magic and so on. So by having these orblings on the board, you can create some kind of attack pattern. All your orblings have different skills for the elements. And depending on what formation you have in that round, they will use all these attacks for that. Funnily, this warning tells me that my Unreal will crash soon. So, whatever. So the orblings on my enemy team are fire orblings which use magic attacks. So I can just go to my crystal formation. They are good against magic attacks, which you can see he doesn't get that much damaged. Now these guys power up their attacks, and this guy makes a shield in front of him where any magic attack cannot pass through there anymore. So we can go back to the fire side with the shield in front of us, which now gets tanked. And then our formation just can finish them off with their aerial attack. So you can then just level up your orblings, get to maximum level, and then go back home, merge them with other orblings to get more abilities on them. Like for the corners, you could have a water ability where it can heal your guys. So if you switch to the water formation, this guy would also be able to heal your stuff, and so on. So you can do synergies by placing your orblings correctly, training them, and getting new attacks, and so on. And you can go around the map and find some caves where you can collect stuff. There's the other side of the map. Like this is a cave here. Go inside, look what's in there. There's a little friend here that you can fight. There's an item you can collect, or you go out. Can of course go to the other side again. This thing is driving me nuts. Just give me a second here. And of course it's not even saving anymore. Give me a sec. I'm not sure what's going on, but something with my garbage collection in Unreal Editor is broken right now, so some errors happen because of that. I don't know why. I need to find out, but it should be working now again. If not, we might have found a new bug that I was not aware of. Anyway, if I go play now, it should be working again. So we have a world map. You can go further up. There are more islands. Right now this is the start area, this is the first island, and there are more islands to go up. The more you explore, the more you can scroll up. So at the end you will be able to see all the islands. But yeah, basically these guys float around and then they land and just roam around. And normally they don't do these warnings and errors and whatever. And your goal is to find a key to fight these orblings to get enough energy, and then go to the exit and use your energy to power up this exit thing. I can give myself some energy. You insert the energy, open the gates, and then go inside the gates, and then you are on the next map. So you can go further and further, and in the end there is a boss. You beat that guy and then you come to another hub island, and then you will proceed up and up and up. And that's basically the game loop. You go fight, find some things, level up, go back to your you return to the shrine or whatever that is, which doesn't work right now, sadly. I need to look at that bug in a second. And then you can like manage your orblings, buy new things and whatever, save your game. Maybe saving will be automatic. But yeah, that's basically the game. But let me fix that one bug. How did that happen? We go and press in the UI. Which is the main UI. We might need this too, but in the UI, main, this one. What's going on here? Foreground? Okay, whatever. What was it? We press return this guy. This goes to probably my UI controller for return, which is here. Return this guy, that turntable visibility, whatever, and where's the camera? Ah, look at that. We are not using the camera thing here anymore. Focus turntable. We should be returning to our player. Oh, that's nice. I thought I had this before. Apparently I don't anymore. Where's the player? Get player. Get level actor. Don't I have a utility for get player? Let me see. Blueprints, helper function, this guy. I believe I don't. Ah, here, get player actor. Never mind. Menu, this one here. Get player actor, and then how was it? Switch camera? No. Get camera control. Ah, come on. Get camera controller and switch camera. This guy, please. Now let's see if this works. We go here. Go in here. And we return home. There we go. Works again. I thought I added this code here before. Why did this disappear? This is a little concerning. Anyway. Where was I? So I believe I will not turn this to 3D today. I might just stop here actually, since it's going to 3 hours again. I think I shouldn't work more. Yeah, whatever. We will do the rest tomorrow. Ugh. Well, at least we got the major things in Orbling Manager sorted. I guess we will go do this. Update button accessibility. Or should I do this now? Let me see. I Orbling Manager, and then is there a function for this already? Check all main buttons. There we go. I could just use that. So let's go here. And then check. So if we are here and return to start, it should be checking. Check and set place and do item availability. So we do some kind of checking already. That Orbling activation button. But it's not enough, clearly. Let's test the bug first again. So if I'm here and go itemify all my Orblings, we shouldn't be able to delete anymore. We shouldn't be able to merge anymore. And we shouldn't be able... No, we should be able to activate still. Shouldn't be able to place. And we shouldn't be able to store away. That's interesting. Store away doesn't get even updated anymore. So if I go and do this, Will the rest be okay? Or is my checking function actually not working? No, my checking does work. We just need to check also the first button. So we delete. There's a warning I need to get rid of. And this should put us back. And it doesn't do... Ah, we can still merge. Is that correct? Shouldn't be. No. We shouldn't be able to merge because we deleted everything. So, okay, for delete we need the 2. Heck, I don't care, we will just do everything. And for merge... I mean, why not? Let's do it for merge too. Ah. Okay, and then for delete, it had some errors when we go in. What was the warning again? It was a strange warning there. Warning, could not find entity in turntable, cannot remove. I mean, yes! We are not using it that way anymore, right? But the removing does still happen. So let's get this and find out why. Let's save everything. This guy. Remove entity. We are here. Why would it try to remove when it's already gone? Main menu. This guy. We don't need to main menu right now. Interaction. Delete. This guy. Base? No, this is merge. Release orbling. This delete. This is delete. Correct? Yes. Let's see. I'm here. Summoner, whatever. Remove entity from scene capture. Clean up internal stats. Does the warning happen between this? Also, when I start, the UI is not there. Yes, it is right, that one. Is it because I'm hiding? Ah, okay, then I just don't need this anymore. Just don't need it anymore. Because I am already hiding the turntable. Yeah, that solves it. Okay. Can get rid of this. We don't even need this anymore. And then if I go inside it, it does not show the tags here. That's something we have to do still. Okay, why? Can I go and just say update? Turntable. I mean, we already did this with delay, no? Or did I just forget it for this one? How are we doing it for the main menu? When we go to the main menu, and I press escape, where is my here? Not opening battle UI. No, not UI, overworld. And then we press escape. Do this. Ah, okay. But it's here. Wait, but we are doing this. Maybe the delay is not enough now? Print this hello first. See what's going on there. Yeah, that one works. Maybe the delay is just not enough anymore. Let's see. I might just input different delays then. Yeah, the delay was not enough. Which means this guys now take a long time until it's there. Which one is this? Ah, shit. Wait, are we using this still? I believe this is that code. Yes, this is definitely dead. Okay. So This one. Maybe I have to do this. Oh, no. This has 0.2 as default, please. Okay, so this can stay that way, this can stay that way, but the rest, this needs to be 0.07. Okay. I believe now it should be more smooth. Let's test. This should open normally. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Match. Oh, interesting. I see, then it breaks. When returning to islands and opening again input locker. Wrong. Right. Yes. Okay, that's a different problem. Man, today I find one bug after the other. Okay, this is good though. But we cannot return from here. The input lockers are all wrong. Or this button doesn't work anymore, why? Let me see. What's going on with that button? It's visible. Just to be sure, it's not an overlapping error. No, that guy is definitely dead. Oh, mate, wait. It is getting overlapped, never mind. And it is getting overlapped by this guy. All we need to do is this. Okay, that works. And the other thing, I'm not sure. I think I will tackle that another time. Anyway. I guess we should do this first tomorrow. Alright, I think that's it for me for today. I'm not sure who's still here, but Frost. I still cannot read that name. Adian, I guess. Adian and Carva. Carva is gone, I think, and Avia also. Anyway, Frost, thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.